everyone, I am thrilled to introduce you to another great property by Outsell Homes here in the community of Edgemont. This is spacious, energy efficient, and has a lot of features that a lot of buyers are looking for. So I'm Julie Mandel with Remax Elite, your friendly Edmonton realtor. Come with me, let's have a look inside. Hello again, and welcome to 3802 Erlanger Drive. This home is perfect for a larger family because right here we have a full bathroom with a walk-in shower, perfect for older relatives that might be living with you, or just a great place to give your dog a bath. We also have a main floor bedroom. This would be a great office or actual bedroom for family members that come to stay and don't like to take the stairs or aren't so good on the stairs. I also love that your little mud room here closes. So you can hide all of your shoe and coat mess back here. You've got another closet with the door that closes. So this can be a really cutely decorated and hopefully super organized, but we all know what life is like. Sometimes you just need to close the door to your mess. And then a great pantry right here. This is a double pantry. This could be great for food, appliances, even extra family things like games or wine, whatever you need. So coming inside the kitchen where memories are made, this is the hub of the home. This is where you will just spend family time, and you want a space that is functional. Look at the space you have here for prep or spreading out. You can have your little coffee station here, coffee bar, toast. Like you have room, lots of room here for cooking. You've got lovely high-end appliances. They're all upgraded. This fridge has a water line. The stove has a built-in air fry setting. The microwave is like sleek and modern and gorgeous. All full height cabinets, all soft close. You've got room here for a couple of nice stools. Beautiful, I love the black light fixtures. And then this would be, don't worry if your head hits your dining table goes here, so don't worry about that. And then tons of room in here for your living room. You could do a really beautiful feature wall here with some paneling or something really, really cool. You could decorate this so nice. You've got tons of room for a sectional here or there. Options are endless in here. Love it. So I love this wall-to-wall of windows. These are nice double pane windows. All of the energy efficiency features in this house mean this house is so efficient that you only need double pane windows. So triple pane are not needed, and you will save a ton on your utility bills in this house. In the link below will be a whole bunch of info. There's also a whopping big bonus that you're going to get because this house is platinum certified by Greenville, Canada, which is nearly impossible to get. And then let's talk for a minute about the backyard. The elephant in the room is this condo building. You're gonna have lots of lovely neighbors, hopefully all friendly, but don't worry. You're gonna put some nice big trees, you're gonna get a nice gazebo, you're gonna have a little nice deck. Like once you have this all landscaped and your trees and your gazebo and your deck all done, that's going to minimize that a lot. You're also getting a really good deal on this house compared to the same house in another neighborhood. So if you like a deal, sometimes you're gonna get an apartment building, I guess. Well, we could build this house for you somewhere else, but it's going to cost more. So if you're looking for a deal on a big house, this is nearly 2,000 square feet, it's not so bad if you look at it that way, I think. Okay, family friends, let's take a look at the bedroom. And this big, beautiful bonus room. This is what everyone is looking for, and here it is. Ta-da! Your big, beautiful bonus room. All of these spaces are designed to be super functional for family living. You have a nice, big, spacious primary suite. You can personalize it however you like. I like that there are 2 windows here because when you have your wall-to-wall draperies, it's gonna look really cool, I think. I think it will look really, really nice. And then you have a upgraded ensuite with the walk-in shower, double sinks right here, and you've also got a chest of drawers so all your makeup and things can go in here. You've got a lot of room to spread out on the countertop, plus you have room to put a glass of wine and some hot chocolate or something with your book in the tub. I love this, and the window is not too high or too low, sorry. no one will see you in the tub. So, ta-da. And then right here with my favorite door, pocket door, is the primary walk-in closet. You could really build this out to maximize the space even more if you have a lot of clothes like me. But this is super functional. It's awesome. Then you're going to love this too. A fully full-on walk-in, total walk-in laundry room with a door that closes your mess. Side-by-side washer and dryer will fit here. You've got storage. You've got hanging storage here. So whatever you hang up, I guess. If you want to hang your clothes, I guess. But I would probably put shelves in here. All you have to do is put some more of these and you've got boom shelves. You could do shelves on this side too. Lots of ways to maximize the storage. And then your kids are going, you're probably going to be happier than your kids, but there'll be no fighting over the bathroom. Each kid can have their own sink and their own mess, I guess. But lots of storage in here. You've got 3 sets of drawers. Perfect. And then the kids can personalize these little bedrooms. Not little bedrooms, they're good bedrooms. But you can personalize these and make them super cute. The big windows, oh, adorable. Super adorable. We don't spend a whole lot of time up here because they're good bedrooms, but super great. Everything you need, double closets, lovely. And yes, ma'am, it does have a separate side door to the basement if you want to grow your living space even more or put a suite. So you could put a really gorgeous suite down here, or this would just be amazing space for your family. Your bedroom would go there. You would have all of this as living space. Your bathroom would go back here. Everything nicely tucked away. And then this, not sexy area of the house is parts of the house that you should know about. And this is where Outsell Homes really shines. This is where all of the high efficiency features come in that make this home more affordable for you to live in. That is the important thing. Your mortgage is one thing, and then you're gonna live in the home. So pay the mortgage and pay your bills. These utility bills will be significantly less because this is the Platinum Green Build Certified Canada. This is your combination furnace hot water tank, super high tech, super high efficient. You have your air exchanger here. You've got your ugly stuff with the mechanical and the radon and everything just tucked away nicely back here. Your sun pump is back here too. You have your power furnace filter, so everything is going to be super clean. Your air will be so lovely down here. Ta-da, the basement done. Once again, location, location, location. If you were looking for a real sense of community in your neighborhood, Edgemont is where it's at. It's more than just finding a home. It's about finding a home, and a community and a place to live. And that's what's going to make you love your life. So let's go outside. And there you have it, a little glimpse into this spacious and energy efficient 3802 Erlanger Drive. If you are excited to explore further, book an appointment. We would love to have you. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you are interested in seeing more, remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and reach out to schedule your personal tour. Until next time, I'm Jolene Langell. Have a great day.